Hi, my name is Michael Sundgaard from iHedge. Today I'll show you how to generate Swift formats from various XMLs such as trading XMLs. We'll be using the iHedge Swift engine, also known as iSE, which is an engine that is able to process all kinds of incoming messages such as various XML formats, fixed format, character separated formats, and so on. It will process these messages, generate a Swift message based on the input you give it. So it'll know what Swift type to create, and it'll present this Swift to you and handle the acknowledgements, rejections, so on. Present you with the error messages, if any, rejection by the counterparty, and so forth. Okay, so first thing we will do is just open up the iSE web page. It's pretty simple. What you have here is a message category where you can narrow down what kind of Swift you're interested in. You can also select a specific one or choose to view all Swift of that type. Let's just narrow it down. We'll look at the MT202 Swift. As we can see, there are already a few messages in the systems here. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to show you really quickly how to use this iSE Swift engine. It's a cloud-based component, so you can actually just start using it tomorrow without any installation or anything. So the first thing you do is, of course, take your Swift message from your trading system or whatever system is actually generating the input for the Swift. Of course, this can and most likely will be a fully automated setup. In this case, I will do it pretty manual, pretty simple. So the first thing we want to do is just actually open up the message that we want to send to the system. So we just close this one. So this MT202 is a predefined XML, which can be handled by the system. This is kind of a standard format, and the data is for demo purposes only. So let's make a 202 with US dollars. Let's change the amount so we can make sure that we can verify that the message has been found in the system in a moment. We will just change the reference number again to make sure that what I'm showing you is actually live here. So 2,102 and the amount of 800,000 US dollars. Okay, we'll just save this message. So the next step is to go to this FTP address here. In this scenario, we're using FTP for the inbound messages, and we're actually also placing the processed Swift on an FTP site. It could be anything, all kinds of queue systems, all kinds of repositories. So we'll put the message that we just modified, this one, in the inbound folder. This will make it available to the iSE engine. So if I press F5 here, it will actually eat that message, and this message here is now our newly generated message. To verify that, we will just go back to the website. We will choose our message type category and narrow it down to MT202. So as we can see, the top row here with the ID of 40 has the transaction number that we just put in, and also the ref number. Also has the correct amount, $800,000. So it turns up here perfectly. We can right click the row and we can choose View Swift. That will tell us where it's from, where it's going. It will tell us the type. It will tell us what fields consist of and what values these fields have here. Also notice that the corresponding Swift field codes are listed here. You can also right click the row and see the raw Swift that has been sent to the destination system. Verify that everything is okay if you like. Finally, you can view the input message that was used to generate the Swift from. And again, this can be XML, this can be fixed format, this can be character separated format, it can be any format you like. So in the view here, it's possible to narrow down. Of course, in this case, there are only 13 Swifts for this message type, but you can narrow down your search if you like. So we can just type in 200 and we will get anything starting with 200. And so it's quite easy to find. You can do this for all fields. You can do it for the amount fields as well if you like. This will be a greater than. So we'll have everything greater than 790,000 if we like. Okay, so this is actually it. The Swift has been generated, it has been sent to the outbound folder, it's viewable in the system and so on, so everything is here. If there's a knack for the message, you can view that if the counterpart has actually rejected or accepted the message, and if there are any problems, you can view what fields here are problematic and you can take action on that. So that's it. Feel free to contact us at sales@ihedge.dk or write us an email to support@ihedge.dk. Thank you.